guys, my name is Kevin Alfattah and I'm from 11 Jakarta. And in this video, I will show you about how to configure Vlan in Cisco Packet Tracer. Okay? And objective goals is spread the network into multiple Vlan and control communication path and improve the security of this network. And the tools or materials is you need a laptop and maybe you need a mouse and you must have a software Cisco Packet Tracer. Okay. For the step, the first step is open your Cisco Packet Tracer on laptop like this. Yes. And set up your topology like this. The topology have four pieces and two switch. The next step is connect the PC to switch one. Connect the PC 0 to switch one. And connect also PC 2 to switch one. Right, like this. And after that, we need to connect switch 0 to switch 1. Use the bus over table. Like this. This. The next step, open the PC 0. Go to desktop and IP configuration. In here, assign the IP address. For example, 192 like this, and uh, and don't forget to assign IP address to the other PC. Right? For example, 192, 168, 1.0, 1.2. Okay. Next, we must configure the switch here. Open the switch here and go to the CLI tab and enable configure terminal.
Play/pause.
Create the new VLAN. Create the two new VLAN like VLAN 10 and we must give the name for VLAN 10 like here and and VLAN 20 the name is maybe 7. I don't know. Okay. After that, open the switch one. This and configure the switch one. And configure terminal, and we must select the new VLAN, right?
Kalau Inggris mending jangan Inggris cuy. Pakai file sharing aja, pakai filing aja yang gelap pucuk.
Yang for internet, for first internet, you
Lu dari tadi sintaksnya kelihatan. Kira wajah. Jan, tadi lu videoin sintaksnya kelihatan. Sintaksnya kelihatan. Enggak di gimana cuy, tadi kelihatan cuy.
the next step, open video,
Enggak kelihatan ya, manjam
yes,
jam.
then exit, and enter FA 0.1, terus SWM up for SW model access, and SW up Vlan 10, and we enter FA 0/2. And that one slash one with SW MOA for switch model access, and SW up Vlan 20 for interface access switch access Vlan 20. In here, in switch 2, enter FA 0/1, FA MOA, FA Vlan 10, enter FA 1/1, FA MOA, FA Vlan 20. Yes. For the test, open PC4, PC1, desktop, and go to command prompt and ping the different PC like 122, 128, 1.3 in the same VLAN, and the result is request I'm on. Oh, I'm sorry. Go to Cisco and FX and hit and hit. Left up 2/1. SMOA, SMOL, for switch model farm.
Tuh harusnya udah auto. Selesai diterangin.
Right? For the test, putting visible and two PC stick in the same VLAN. And the result is successful, and we ping PC4 and PC7 in different VLAN, and the result is failed. Right, guys? And the result, the switch are successful configured with the same VLAN, and PCs within the same VLAN can communicate, and communication between different will be restricted unless a router is up for the inter-VLAN routing. Okay, guys? Thank you for watching my video, and bye bye.